everybody, how are you doing today? Welcome back to Always Alyssa. Thank you for clicking on this video, first of all. And I just wanted to say how awesome it is to have a baby sister. Like, ever since Chloe has been born, it's been so awesome. I just love having her around. I hold her all the time. She is so cute. But you know what could make it even more awesome? If we could match every day. That would be pretty cool. You know what? I think I'm gonna start doing that today, right now. I think I should match her for like a week. That would be super awesome. So I'm gonna go see what she's wearing right now. She's wearing, oh, she looks so cute. She's asleep. Oh, I'm gonna wake her up. Oh, I don't think I have anything that's that color, but I think I can fix that. Oh, she's so tiny. You're a fluffy hair baby. Hey, what are you doing over there?
Oh, I'm just cleaning the vacuum out.
That sounds fun. First stop is going to be Chloe's closet. She smells like she had a bath recently. What do you think you should wear, Chloe? She's looking right at the clothes. So cute. Well, is this a white jean jacket? I do have a white jean jacket. That'll be perfect. What color do you want to wear? Do you want to wear purple or pink or maybe yellow? What do you think? I think purple. Yeah? Purple? Is that what you want to do? Okay, let's grab it. We picked this out for her first outfit, so let's get her dressed. You look so cute, baby. Let's unbutton. You're so awake right now. Are you excited to match me every day this week, Chloe? It's gonna be so fun. You're gonna look so cute. You're almost dressed. You look so cute, and it's time to put your jacket on. Oh, newborn baby in a jean jacket. It's okay, baby. It's okay. It's looking cute already. Oh, she keeps her arms tucked in so tight. Oh, you look so cute, baby. Time to go to my room. I'm gonna bring her cute little hairbrush. Are you excited? You look so cute. Okay, Chloe, lay right here while I get dressed, okay? Here you go. Okay, I'll just grab my purple shirt now. And the jeans. Okay, Chloe, I'm all ready. Let's see how we match. Even the white socks. Hey, I think we did pretty good. You look so cute. Oh, I know what she's missing. A headband. Let's go get your headband. Oh, you look so cute, Chloe. Let's get your headband. Let's see. Which one should you wear? This one's pink. Let's try to find purple. Ooh, I see purple. That could work. Or, ooh, perfect. This could work. This one's a little dark. Let's try to find the lighter one. Let's see. Perfect. I think this one's good. You like it? Yeah? Okay, we'll use this one. Are you ready to put your headband on? Oh, don't look sad. We're matching today. You look so cute already. Baby, you look so adorable. I know what you need. You need to brush our hair together. Brushing my hair always makes me happy. Except, of course, I have a lot more hair than she does. You don't have much hair to brush, but that's okay. Oh, you have a little bit. Here, let's pull your jacket down. Oh, you like that? You like that, baby? Is it relaxing? I love it when people brush my hair. Good morning, everyone. It's the second day, and I'm going to pick out my outfit. Let's see here. I like that one. Ooh, let's wear this one today. This is a good one. Okay, gotta pick out my headband. I think this one will match pretty good. Yep, perfect. Now I gotta go find my sister. Okay, Chloe, it's time to pick your matching outfit for today. I found the perfect one. Oh, you're so pretty. Are you comfortable? I bet you are. It's okay, baby. There you go. It's okay. You're looking so cute, Chloe. You totally match. And all you need now is your headband. Let's see. Let's find a dark blue one. Perfect. This one will match. So good. Oh, you're gonna look so cute in this outfit. Are you ready? Look at that big bow. Oh, it's okay, baby. You look so cute. Let's go get you your breakfast. Oh, cute baby. It's okay. You're hungry. Good morning.
Oh my gosh, you guys are so cute.
Are we matching it up?
Yes. That's
Perfect
so
match.
Oh, I just realized your headbands are matching.
Yeah, they look the same.
Oh.
Hey everyone, it is my third day of matching outfits with my baby sister Chloe, which has been awesome so far. And I think I'm going to start out with picking Chloe's outfit. Let's see here. I think I have something that could match this. Oh, perfect. The exact one I was thinking of. This will match super good. I'm all dressed in my outfit, and now I have to go dress Chloe so we can match. Good morning, baby girl. You look pleasant. Hi. I have your outfit ready. We're both gonna wear some sparkles. You like it? Oh, you look so pretty, Chloe. There you go. Back to the headband dresser. My favorite part of Chloe's room, of course. Let's see. Good. I think this one should work. Perfect. Oh, baby, which one do you want? Mine or yours? Of course, this one matches better. It's so pretty. Look at that big bow, baby. Oh, you look so cute. Time to put mine on. Now we match. Let's go show everybody. Oh, so cute. Show everyone our outfits, should we? Hello. Chloe and I are matching.
Oh, wow, you just don't run out of outfits, do you? You guys look
She
great.
looks so
You
cute.
guys both look cute.
Thanks. Look how cute Chloe
Oh,
looks.
look at
You're
you
matching.
guys. You both have sparkles.
Your headband's so cute.
Yes, you both have a bow. So cute.
Oh, she looks so relaxed. Is that outfit comfortable? I can't wait to decide what we're gonna wear tomorrow. Oh, you're fast asleep. Okay, good morning. It is day 4. I'm wearing my outfit for the day, and I have to go pick out something for Chloe that's the same or similar since we're matching. So let's go. Oh, she's asleep. Chloe, are you ready to wake up so you can match me? Yeah? Let's go see if she has something to match me. I hope she does. See here. Not that one. You know what? Actually, I think this might work pretty good. Yeah, I like it. What about these clothes? Too crowded. Not this one. Let's try this skirt. That'll look good. Yeah. I'm gonna set this down, and I'm gonna get her a headband. Gotta get something that matches really good. Dang, she almost has more than I do. Let's see what could match good. This is probably too bright. Yeah. Let's try this. I think this one matches my current headband. That should work. Are you ready to get dressed? Get dressed, baby. Are you excited? excited, baby? Oh, you look so cute today. Here you go, baby. You look so cute. Let's get your little hand in. This color looks so pretty on you. Oh, I love the colors. This is gonna look adorable. Let's put it on. It's okay, baby. Here we go. Oh, you look so perfect already. You just need your final touch, your headband. You look so perfect. Let's go show everyone how we look.
Oh, look at you guys.
We're matching it.
Wow, it's so cute. You got the headband every single time you guys have
Yep.
the headband. Oh, she's so precious. Oh, this
Hey Chloe, what do you want to do today? Do you want to look around my room with me? Yeah? You're probably going to be playing here a lot when you're older. Here's my dresser. Oh yeah, and that's my favorite TV show that you have to watch. You better watch it. It's Survivor. Here's all my sunglasses. Yes? And this pineapple picture, you're looking at it? Oh. Here's a picture of me when I was a baby just like you. Here's my desk where I do my art. Here's my window. You like looking out the window? Is it bright? Yeah. And here's my bed. We're gonna have lots of sleepovers in here a little bit bigger. Last but not least, my glorious fox collection. Some of these stuffed animals are bigger than you. Look how tiny. See? Some of them are bigger than you. You're so small. Well, this is our 4th day of successfully matching. I think we've done a great job so far. Chloe looks adorable in every single outfit, and it's just so perfect. We have headbands for everyone. We have 3 days left of this trend, and I'm liking it. We should do it again. Good morning, Chloe. I like your pajamas. Are you ready to pick out an outfit today? What are we gonna wear today? How about something pink today? What do you think? You gonna look up there? Which one do you like? You like this one? This one's pretty cute. Oh, there's a yellow one. Let's see. Ooh, how about this light pink one? Ooh, you like this one pink? Is that a good one? I think so too. Let's get you on the changing table. Here's the outfit I picked out for Chloe today. And now we just have to go get her headband. Let's try something good that'll match with this. Ooh, how about this black one? This will look good. You think so? Yeah. Let's go to my room and see what I'm gonna wear today. Wait right here on my bed while I pick out the perfect outfit. Chloe, look what I found. Do you think it matches good? I think it's the perfect color. And I have a headband to match. Okay, I'm back. Uh-oh, looks like Chloe fell asleep while I was gone. Did you get a little bit bored? Come here, baby. Oh, so cute. Hello, everyone. We're matching. It's so cute. So cute.
I like your outfits.
Thanks. I think we pulled this one off pretty well, didn't we, Chloe? Hello, everybody. It is day 6 of me matching outfits with my sister, Chloe, and I cannot wait to pick out our outfit today. Okay, I'm so thrilled that I finally have a sister to match, and today we're going to be wearing these super cute yellow outfits. I think they're going to match perfectly. Yellow is just a super bright and happy color, and Chloe's going to look so adorable in this. Here's my outfit, and I picked out some different bottoms for Chloe that I think will match my outfit even better than the jean shorts I had originally picked out. Chloe, time to get dressed. Oh, look at her little foot. You're looking so pretty, Chloe. Are you ready for your headband? It looks so cute. Don't be sad. She's a little bit fussy right now. It's okay, baby. I think we're gonna look pretty cute together today, though. Oh, I love your headband. It's so cute.
I have something to show you. Look.
Are we matching good?
It's amazing. I'm always amazed how you guys even get the hair bows every time.
Oh, yes. Every time. Good morning, everybody. So, I just woke up and realized this is my last day matching with Chloe, which is super sad. Tell me in the comments if you guys like this challenge and if you think I should do it again. I had a lot of fun dressing up with Chloe. It was awesome. Anyways, back to the outfits. If you want a clue of what I'm picking out for Chloe, take a look at my headband. Are you ready to see Chloe for today? Here she is. She has a super big and bright headband, of course. She's tropical just like me. Here, let's fix the outfit a little bit. There we go. Oh, don't be sad. You look so cute. I think we look good today. It's probably one of the best outfits we did. Oh, look! Chloe and I are matching today.
Yeah.
You like her outfit? Oh no, she spit up on me. Chloe.
Are you guys still friends?
Yeah. There you go. Oh, Chloe, you look so cute in this outfit. You're awake right now. Oh, try to eat my hand. Oh,
How do you like having your little sister?
I love having her. She's so cute. Oh, it's okay, baby. Are you sad because it's our last day matching? Oh, it's okay. You look really cute today. It's okay. Don't be sad. Don't be sad. You know what art is? Yeah. I do a lot of drawing and painting over here. Are you going to do that too? Yeah. I can be your teacher. How about that? As you can see, Chloe is very upset with Zover, and I am too. We can do it again. Does that sound fun? Yeah. Well, I hope you guys loved today's video. Make sure you give a thumbs up for Chloe and I's matching outfits. Make sure to also comment which outfit out of all 7 was your favorite. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye!